Hey guys, and welcome back to the first episode of Sketchbook Sunday in months. I think we're on episode like 18, but I don't know if you'll remember, but I dropped it because I was going to start taking Japanese classes and I didn't really know what to expect, and I definitely wanted to study, but now I know what the workload is like, and I was talking to Oh That Rye Guy on YouTube, my coworker, and I don't know, I just was talking to him and like I don't really like how little I'm drawing now just because like I'm busy but like I still want art to be my thing, so I don't know, Sketchbook Sunday was always like a nice motivator to at least get one decent like scribble out on top of like working on a piece. And I just generally think that it gave me a lot more energy, I don't know, and like it was more practice, and I don't know, like I enjoyed doing it, I just was afraid to like overdo it, but now I know what the workload is like, and I'm not sure when the classes are ending, but I can only assume it's like in a couple months, and yeah, once those end, I'm like 95% sure there's summer classes, but like they're not learn new stuffy, they're just practicey, because like I don't think they'd want to sabotage people who want to go to beginner 2, you know, like I don't know. I don't know, I just don't think it would be the greatest idea to like keep advancing, because I feel like it would throw all the semesters off, but I'm not 100% sure yet. Either way, I know the workload, I know what I'm getting myself into, and I just miss Sketchbook Sunday. It was just a fun little video series to make. But I think I'm going to simplify the format. Like, I think that they're always going to use the same song, and just, they may not all have like long voiceovers, although I think that's how I was doing it anyway. Like, I think I might just pop in and like say what I'm drawing and then leave, just because, I don't know, and I liked to use them for updates as well, so yeah, I don't know, or like tags, I don't know, because I love watching tags and updates and shit, so maybe I could just use Sketchbook Sunday as one of those, so yeah. So this week I just ended up doing, like, a long time ago, I just kind of remade like a Pokesona kind of character. It was a Noivern, just because I like Noivern, and I just made him all neon, and I hadn't drawn him since, but I just kind of picked him back up and painted him up, and it was just a fun time. It's like, I feel like I would have stopped at the coloring the flats in part had I not intentionally been doing it for a video, so like that's already a plus to me. Like, I don't know, and like if I travel, because I mean you guys won't know because I've never missed an upload since I started doing this weekly, but when I travel I do a backlog, and that's usually like, I mean it's hard when you're working full-time and like you're trying to like make a backlog for your YouTube channel and stuff, and like sometimes I have commissions on the side, so it's not always easy, so I might just ignore Sketchbook Sunday when I travel, just because I don't know, like I just don't want this to be a ball and chain, you know what I'm saying? So I don't know, if you have any suggestions or whatever, that maybe you want to see something or like a tag to do, I don't know, you guys can leave them in the comments and I'll check them, because I love checking the comments. But I think that's all I have to ramble on about, and I'll just let you guys enjoy the music and the video, and I'll see you guys Wednesday.